Even if you're not interested in plants, it's one of the most beautiful places in the world, because as you look down the garden from the top of the hill, you see the Helford River in the distance, and it's magical. I'm Caroline Quentin, and I'm an actor, illustrator, gardener, writer, and a little bit of a cook. I think probably I'm a southwest person, so I'm going to stick to the southwest. I love Devon, I love Somerset, and I love Cornwall. So if I were going to go to my favourite place in the whole wide world, it would be on the Helford River, and it would be early in the morning, the birds would be singing, and I would be walking through a garden called Glendurgan. And it's one of the Victorian plant hunters gardeners on the Helford River, and it is absolutely beautiful. And if you haven't been there, I really recommend it. Go and have a look. Even if you're not interested in plants, it's one of the most beautiful places in the world, because as you look down the garden from the top of the hill, you see the Helford River in the distance, and it's magical. My favourite place to visit around here is somewhere where you can get local food, well cooked and reasonably priced, and it's called the Lost Kitchen restaurant. They have a fabulous pizza oven there. They do delicious seafood, great local produce. It's great for vegetarians and vegans, and they sell local wines, and the coffee's great. And it has, again, like lots of places in this county, the most wonderful view. So you can sit on the terrace where they grow all their vegetables in raised beds, and you can gaze out over the Devon Hills, and the Lost Kitchen is a place to be found in. Walking is easy around here. You know, everywhere you go there is a view, one of the great things about Devon. And so if I were going to go on a walk, I would wake up in the morning, I would open whatever door of whatever house I was in, I would step out, and I would head for the high hedgerows. So around here, probably a circular walk around Wimberball Lake. It's a reservoir, but it's used for lots of sailing, kayaking, that sort of thing. But there's also Haddon Hill just above it, which is a lovely, wild bit of moorland. So you've got the best of both worlds. You've got the lake to walk around at Wimberball, and then up Haddon Hill, where you can see wild ponies and deer and amazing ancient woodland.